Hello, this is Steve Fontano. Today I'm playing Hololive. Here I'm playing against Slime. If you don't know my cards in my Kanata Marine deck, watch my intro. So here I'm going first, open the plus. So he got a Brainstorm and a Twin Drive to beat it. I got 2 cards to the plus. So I can just drop my hand and try lane. On and I'm taking 2 attacks. I'm gonna clock the level. Okay, so here he's gonna Brainstorm first, then hit. Here he's playing a drop salvage. I think he has a level 1 combo in hand, but there's no level 1 combo in waiting room because he leveled it. And then, yeah, the other 3 copies on deck or something. So it's like he's grabbing a Riki or a clean cut. Yeah, so I ended up not playing level 1 combo and did 2 attacks. I think he wanted Riki for next turn because level 1 combo needs full board. So in case you draw really bad, you can try the other full board. I think clean cut is 3 attacks, at least beat my cards. Then you tap Twin Drive back. Okay, so he got a cancel. Then he drew another level 1 CX and clocked it. So here he brings one hit 3. So he got his hand back. He's gonna spawn level 1 combo. I think he's refreshing 6 here. I just went on board and one clock. I think last time I debating Brainstorm, so I'm at 5 or something. But Brainstorm doesn't actually hit me refresh point, so just end up doing nothing. Yeah, I got pretty lucky, got 2 cancels here, and then I got 2 cancels at 0, so I canceled 4 times on deck 1. Okay, so here I'm doing Clock Encore. I wanted to do 2, but I can't stay on level 1. So I'm refreshing my clock, so I only did 1 Clock Encore. Okay, so here I'm just holding a stock soul and just swinging. Yeah, so I only spent 2 stock on 2 low plus. That's why I have so much stock. And then I have 4 turns, so I attack 10 times. Yeah, so I don't know. Well, I got good cancel there. Now the problem is just stock flush. Okay, so I didn't cancel here. So I should have 7 in deck. Okay, I'm just on clock for hand. I'm not going to bring store, I think. Yeah, so that would make my deck even smaller. So just double change here. Yeah, I don't really have any ways to use stock. Okay, opponent got 3 cancel here. Yeah, so now he's counting my stock. So I have 10 stock, 14 deck. Looks like he doesn't have enough to early play the wolf. Not enough wolf when you early play wolf. So this one's... Yeah. So you hit 0, you can side without penalty. So grabbing stock flush. Yeah, one of the few decks that have stock flush before level 3. So he swung 1/1/1. Then get me to level 3. Yeah, he needed 1 more damage, then I will draw into refresh penalty, then I'll be level 3. But looks like I don't have stock souls, I can't heal anyways. Dang, I refresh 4? I hit 2 here. Yeah, so here I think I misplayed. Should have ditched the gate. I don't know, I'm giving the gate for next turn. Usually Mario, you can fetch gate yourself. Yeah, I think I needed a CX swapping waiting room that could combo. The CX swap can clock. Yeah, so now I'm refreshing 5 of 1 hand, 1 I triggered just now, and then 1 more, and he put it from stock swap. Yeah, so here he heals stock and then spawned the other Xion with Wolf. He played the 1k one. So I'm effectively 3-0 after refresh. So you just need 7. So you trigger on the first one for 4. So I had rest counter, but he fronted the one that I couldn't play back up first, then decided a 0. Luckily, I ended up canceling the last 2 attacks. But yeah, but he had lethal on 2 attacks, so could have lost. Yeah, that's why I'm saying I should have ditched the gate. Too close for comfort. Okay, so here I'm just going triple marine. I think he only has 1 in waiting room. His deck's not very compressed, just he doesn't have a lot of resources when he refreshed. Yeah, so here I'm gonna try to do 7 with triple marine. And there's the last CX on stock swap. Okay. So I always have like they take the burns and then cancel the 3, and then last attack get burn doesn't matter. Yeah, so usually I prefer to not burns, so I can resource for next turn in case I love. And then he ended up taking a 4. He only cancel on 5. So yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you.